So the moment of truth is that hooked up to laptop power pack, cable going into the Amiga, meter to show the current being drawn, go tack for laughs. Let's see if anything catches fire, eh? Well, bugging me with a stick. It actually works. And that's not drawing hardly sod all. 540 milliamps. Admittedly, the Amiga isn't doing anything now, but let's put a, sorry, just got to put a stick in there. What's it going to load? Amiga test kit. Okay. So, I wonder what currents that's actually drawing from the thing itself. It's not as much as I expected. I mean, granted, that's a stock 500 with no hard drives, no accelerators, no nothing, but that should definitely mean USB PD is possible. Interesting. Well, you know what we need to do to test it? We need to actually run a demo, and I can't reset, so switch off, switch on again. Hopefully we should get a demo now. Oh, yeah, there we go. Still 550 milliamps. Now the question is, what does the audio sound like? Does it sound alright, or does it sound distorted? Hopefully the minus 12 volt rail isn't that noisy, and that should work. But let's see. Come on, it takes a while to run this. Oh, actually, this is probably going to crash because this has only got 512K. Yep. And there it goes. I forgot that needs an expansion. I know what will work. Come on, hurry up and reset. Or not. Okay. Fine. I should have World of Commodore on here. Yeah. Go away. I think what I'll have to do next is hook this Amiga up to my oscilloscope, hook the audio up, and check for noise and whatever on the audio from the. It sounds alright from the telly. Watch out, Jens. You've got competition now. That's enough of that there.